Thank you very much, Jeremy Rifkin.
Training an industrial engineer, yeah, that's right. 20 years ago I worked in factory automation. I was hooking up big robots to big milling machines with automatic tool changes and these kind of things. At a certain point in time, all the interesting factory automation projects were done in that particular company. And I got another opportunity to work in technology transfer at the time. It means really connecting industry and industry's questions with the research done at universities and see how these demands and knowledge supply, how these match. I had the chance to work with Vast Society for 2 years in 2007 to 2009 and as a senior project manager. And part of my portfolio was the FabLab there, which was the first FabLab in the Netherlands. And this FabLab got me hooked. It was sort of announced to me as this high-tech workshop. And I walked in, and from what I've been doing earlier in my life, it wasn't high-tech at all. And the funny thing was, those people weren't using the machines according to the rules I learned. And that was not annoying, but really fascinating. FabLabs is part of the third industrial revolution. FabLab has all to do with decentralized production, with democratizing access to production, with open sourcing the actual production process. And this is a very important part of the third industrial revolution. I'll be speaking tomorrow, but this event is called the Third Revolution Experience, which is a follow-up on an event last year which was called Printing the City, very much centered around 3D printing. The scope this year is much broader, really looking at the bigger impact of the third industrial revolution, and particularly how to actually make it happen here in Rotterdam. Jeremy Rifkin is here. He just spoke about the near zero marginal cost economy. Jeremy Rifkin is an economist and writer and speaker and consultant mainly to governments. So he's, for instance, working closely with the European Union on this very topic of the third industrial revolution. He wrote a book that is called Third Industrial Revolution, yeah, that's right.